What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. How are y'all today? Yep, I'm in my favorite spot. Girl, let me tell you something. I don't know, today I don't feel too hot. I hope I'm not coming down with that bug. I swear my throat is feeling not so normal. Mm, I don't know. I am trying to do some work. I got one video that's getting ready to post here, and I have another one that I'm working on. And wow, I feel like crap. This is not me. Mm-mm. Nope, this is not me, y'all. I got some tea. I'm drinking some tea right now, but I'm going to rest my throat today, and not do anything too strenuous. So I really don't have anything lined up. Like I said, just editing today. And I was so crazy. I got Mike up at 6:30 this morning to tell him to make sure he has my clothes outside that I would, when I clean my closet out, I told him to make sure that he gets out there to get those on the curb for the people picking up the clothes. And it's the 24th. It is not the 25th. And I'm like, no, I'm crazy today, okay? That is not it, girl. I don't know what's up. Like I said, editing a couple of videos. I have one here on this computer and one over there that's ready to go up like today. Y'all know the new schedule for Beauty by Sweet Angel. You'll be getting the videos at 3:30 Central Time, 3:30 p.m. And on Life with Sweet Angel, you'll be getting the videos at 2 p.m. Usually daily, okay? Usually daily. So be ready for it. Set your alarm. Get ready to hang out with me at those times so you'll be on a true schedule that I'm trying to do. But as you can see, life takes its course on you and you don't know what you're going to be doing because I might not be able to talk. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know. But anywho, today I had planned on, we had to get out. Maddie and I were going to get out for a little bit. And y'all know I'm still working on that glam room. Actually have actually everything done except for, mainly the picture that I want in there. So that's what I got to get squared away. And again, I'm sorry I'm looking so rough today. But again, I don't feel real peachy. Physically I feel fine. It's just my throat is kind of, when my throat hurts, girl, that's me. That's my voice. I gotta have my voice. So, other than that, I don't know. I don't even have an appetite right now that I can't really decide on what to eat. Mike just asked me, what do you want? What do you want to eat today? And I'm like, I don't even know. Usually there's always something on the agenda, but today is not that day. And what else is shaking here in this situation? Nothing. And I have some products to review too, so I got to get those out. But I will be just pretty much working my emails. I got a couple of reviews to do on a couple of items that I received. I did get, I didn't do it, but Mikey did. Thank God for Mikey. He's the greatest. Oh my God, he's the greatest. Anyway, he got those packages out. If you can see over there, I did get an Amazon package today of something else I got to review. And he did drop off the giveaways. And I'm so excited for y'all. I love getting free stuff. I love getting goodies. So I'm glad y'all got some things coming for a couple of folks there. And like I said, I got to work some emails today. So it's always busy. I'm always working. And, fingers, nothing wrong with the fingers. Yeah, I did my nails on yesterday. That's what they look like. Do they look okay to y'all? This isn't my favorite. And I can't remember the name of the company for these nail polishes here, gel nail polishes, but I will list them below for you. sometime or another. I don't know if it's going to be right after this video goes up or not, but I will have that listed. Remind me in the comment section to share that information with you if you like the color. It's really like it's part of that chameleon setup that I did. Beetles, maybe chameleon. I don't know. I don't know the name of them. I'm crazy. But this is it here. I think it's kind of pretty. I think it is. And Maddie isn't even up yet. You know, we didn't stay up that late last night, but she's not up. Well, of course, it's about 12 something right now. And yes, I'm still in my robe. I'm at home. No need to get dressed right now, but I'm going to take me some meds and try to get myself together shortly here. Yep, shortly here. What else am I going to do today if I'm feeling like it after this is up? I had planned on doing my makeup. I like to go through some of the makeup and check out some things that I need to maybe toss out. It's the other thing. And since they did not pick up the clothes today, I know that for a fact that they'll need coats. So I'm going to look in there to see if I have any coats that I can give that I know is, you know, nice, and I have no need for them at this time. I'm going to see if I have anything I can do, because I know it's going to get cold and people need winter wear for sure. And besides that, you know, I'm getting 3 new coats eventually. I look on the tracking and I don't even know where my stuff is right now. I really don't even know where it's at. So it's crazy. Totally crazy. And I got to get, what else? Oh, I got to get Maddie's dental appointment set up too. So lots of little things to do, but I'm just moving in slow motion at the moment. I am, you know, it's crazy. So, guinea boys are good. I just gave them some lettuce and a yellow pepper. So they're happy and feeling good. And I haven't checked on Coco and Anna. You know, I don't talk about Coco and Anna much because they're outside most of the time. And, you know, they really don't come in the house until it gets freezing cold. You know, Coco runs in every now and then with her crazy stuff. She's so crazy. So crazy. But that's about it. But I'm going to try to get myself together because this is not good, y'all. Your girl can't be sick. You know, I can't be sick. Fortunately, I don't have any shows or anything. Otherwise, I would be feeling the real blues, honey. Yes, I would be. I'm dealing with right now, contemplating on what my next big project is. You know, I really want to get my kitchen done so bad. I dream about that, y'all. I really do. That's going to be my next big project, but I'm still, you know, debating about what color cabinets that I want. And small projects, I want to get my hallway reshuffle. I'm going to just move some home decor around, starting with that first, and then I'll see what pieces I need. So that's what Maddie and I were actually going to do today, just kind of go in a couple stores and check out some things that, you know, give me some kind of ideas. I do watch a few videos on decor stuff, but you know, you have your own style, and sometimes you can't even find the stuff that people have. So I just try to create my own little ideas some kind of way. And I'm not the best decorator, you know, I'm not. My bedroom is something else that I wanted to work on. You know, I started my bathroom project last year. I think it was last year. Heck, it may have been year before by now, but I have not even completed that. Just a few things I have to do. I want to get those 1-2-inch blinds. I think it's 2-inch blinds. I need to put those up on that window in there. And in my bedroom, I'm just going to, since I have my new mattress, it's heavenly, y'all. It's heavenly. I just got to get my comforter set and just do a little, reorganization in there. That's about it. But other than that, your girl will be chilling like a villain, if that's such a, I don't know why we say that. That don't make no sense. Why would a villain be chilling? I don't know. But that's about it. And y'all know my deal with these, right? Yeah, the girl ain't did nothing to the hair. I'm just here. I got up, I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and I flopped down. Got me some tea, and been drinking on it. And it's actually tea bag floated up. But it's actually, I love the flavor of this tea. It's that menopause tea actually that I'm drinking, but I love the flavor of it. And I thought maybe it'll give me a little bit of energy today. So that's why I'm drinking it, and hopefully it will. But anyway, I'm going to bid you guys farewell. Get these videos up for you. So check on Beauty by Sweet Angel, and you should have a video on there shortly, or, going up at 3:30 today. And, of course, Life with Sweet Angel, every day, 2 o'clock. You'll have something. I promise you, you'll have something going on. And, heck, I don't know. Beauty by Sweet Angel might get 2 today if I finish this other one. If I finish this other one, but I doubt it. I'm serious. I'll post it tomorrow. I don't want to inundate you all with too much, but if you're cool with it, I'll be glad to post it. If you just want to binge watch a couple of videos, I got you. For real, for real. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hang out on the channel as often as possible. Watch some old videos. Got a lot of story times on Beauty by Sweet Angel that y'all have not seen. So check those out, why don't you? And honeys, that's it. I love y'all. And pray that I get better so I can stay on my grind, because I'm on a mission. For real, we got to talk about my mission. Yes, we do. And everybody should be on a mission too. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all take care. Be sweet. Be kind to each other. And I love you. And y'all know what to do. Share your girl with your world. Absolutely. Bye.